Sinasabi ko lang
Yes,
na
sir.
hindi po ako isa sa mga binabanggit mo na yun.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
At yung mga
yes, sir.
anak ko, hindi nag-aral sa abroad, nandito po sila lahat, nagtatrabaho, and they are good citizens of this country.
Yes, sir. Good for you, sir.
Hindi. Huwag mong good for you. It's my job as the father.
Yan nga mga kabayan, pinunan ni Congressman Ako ang mga vloggers tulad ni Crisette Chu na madalas umanong mapanghusga at hindi nagpapa-fact check bago ito maglabas ng mga impormasyon at binigyang diin niyang magdudulot ito ng pagkawatak-watak sa ating lipunan mga kababayan. Kaya watch po natin ang nagaganap sa Quadcom hearing na to sa pag-iimbestiga at pagtatanong sa mga vloggers na inimbita sa Quadcom hearing mga kababayan.
Madam Crisette Chu.
Yes, sir.
Is she still, are you
Yes,
still
sir.
around?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Yes. Narinig ko po yung pagtatanong sa inyo ni Honorable Benny Abante. Tinanong ako po kayo kung sino yung mga congressmen na may mga anak o nakuan na nag-aaral kung saan-saan sa abroad. Di po ba?
Yes, sir. Nagtanong kanina.
Did you learn a lesson from that?
Yes, sir. That the next time I say that, I should have the courage to follow up with the actual names if I have the courage to name them.
Okay. I would like to inform you, Madam Chu,
Yes,
na
sir.
hindi po ako isa sa mga congressmen na binabanggit mo.
Sir, I know because that congressman is not here.
I beg your pardon?
Sir, I know, sir, because the congressman that I was referring to, it was based on the news, sir, and that
Hindi,
congressman...
kasi ang sabi mo kasi, mga congressman. That's why I was asking that question. Did you learn anything from the interpellation of the Honorable Abante? And I'll tell you if you do not know. Sinasabi ko lang
Yes,
na
sir.
hindi po ako isa sa mga binabanggit mo na yun.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
At yung mga
yes, sir.
anak ko, hindi nag-aral sa abroad, nandito po sila lahat, nagtatrabaho, and they are good citizens of this country.
Yes, sir. Good for you, sir.
Hindi. Huwag mong good for you. It's my job as the father.
No, no, sir. I did not mean it
As I expect that
disrespectfully,
you should
sir.
also, if ever you have children, you should train your children to become good citizens of this country.
Yes, sir. Sorry, I did not mean it disrespectfully. That's not my intention. I apologize if...
Now, the lesson I would like to give to you is that you should, whenever you come up with your post, you should not generalize. Kasi mga congressmen, nilalahat mo, iha.
That was not my intention, sir. I do not...
Okay,
I did
why
not
did you
mean-
write it?
I did not...
Kaya nga sinasabi ko, ang lesson learned mo dapat dito, huwag ka nang mag-generalize sa mga post mo.
Yes,
Kasi
sir. I
hindi ka nga
will be
makasagot
more
kanina. Kung
specific
tinanong ka
next
ni,
time,
nung
sir.
tinanong ka ni Honorable Abante, you name the congressman.
Yes, sir. You're right, sir. I will be specific if I do have issues with
And
certain
for the
people.
other
I'm sorry, sir,
bloggers,
if you felt that I was alluding to generally.
to tell you frankly, I felt insulted. Kasi you're referring to me also, mga congressmen.
I understand, sir.
Di ba? Ngayon, sa mga vloggers, kung titingnan ko, masyado kayong mga judgmental eh. That's one thing you should learn. Huwag po kayong maging judgmental. And I don't think you have the right to judge others. Di po ba? And the other thing that you forgot is that when you come up with with your post, if you come up with informations, you did not exercise due diligence. Wala po kayong fact-checking kung totoo yung mga nire-report ninyo. Yun po yung aking observation kasi sa mga post na naharap sa amin. That is why nagkakaroon na tayo ng polarization. And that is one of the ill effects of fake news. Maski na nga yung national sovereignty natin, nahahati na tayo eh. I hope this, you people are engaged in this kind of business, you will realize na dapat hindi last hearing, tinanong ko nga yung mga nag-attend, ano po ba ang advantage ng fake news?
Kaya paalala, bigyan ng babala ang mga vloggers nilang responsibilidad sa pagkakalat sa mga impormasyon, lalong-lalo na sa mga politikong nakaupo na sa gobyerno tulad ng mga congressman, mga kabayan. Comment lang po kayo sa inyong mga reaksyon sa video nito. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.